Hello guys and welcome to the most gorgeous episode of People Who Inspire episode 6 with none other than Dimple Singh, the most gorgeous guest for today. So guys, I must say she's a very hardworking female. She's a sports personality. She is also a passionate biker. She loves to travel around the world. She's also an Instagrammer. She is also a healthcare worker, a feat achiever, India Book of Records. I must say, her journey has always been an inspiring journey for all of us. So Dimple, I want to ask you, like, since you are a healthcare worker, what is the situation outside?
See, Nirali, first of all, thank you so much for having me here. You've been a senior to me in my college. I still remember those days where we used to practice again. Those of you all who doesn't know, Nirali has also been a volleyball player. So yeah, it feels great to talk to somebody who's been senior to me in the college after such a long time. And yes, coming back to your question, Nirali, you asked me that how's the situation going on in Mumbai right now. Then I'd like to say that we've seen a positive side since the last 2-3 days. The cases are going down in Mumbai. So yes,
Wow.
I just want everybody to be positive. And I'm sure this too shall pass and we shall overcome. We shall come out of this for sure.
Yeah, and actually, the word that you said that the cases are lowering, it is such a relief for all of us because we are too scared and we are staying at home throughout the day with a small baby with me.
Absolutely, I understand.
So now tell me, what role do you play during this pandemic?
Okay,
Since you're a healthcare worker.
yes. So what I'm doing is I am connecting with different civic bodies, and so we, along with BMC, we've done a tie-up. So we've set up 200-bedded hospital at Seven Hills, which is again a renowned hospital in Andheri, as you know. And apart from that, right now, since last week, we've set up 100 beds at Trident Hotel BKC. Okay. And in total, Reliance has set up 875 beds for the COVID-19 patients. The rest of the beds are set up at the NSCI grounds. And the best part about me working with Reliance, I am associated with Reliance, is we are treating all of the patients free of cost.
Wow, free of cost.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
So you guys are really doing a great work and you're going to have lots of blessings from people who are actually suffering from COVID.
It's just that we are giving back to the society, Nirali, and we have to. We have to.
We have to, yes. And that's how, it's kind of a team thing and we have to come out of this. If I was a senior, I have been stalking your account since long. Okay, it's been long and I have seen your growth right from a volleyball player to a healthcare worker to a passionate biker. So today I really want to talk a lot about your passion.
So when I was in 10th, Nirali, my uncle, he had a Hero Honda Splendor, and I don't know, whenever I used to see him, I used to be fascinated, and I always wanted to learn bike. So I asked him to please teach me, and uncle used to teach me on a Hero Honda Splendor first. And then when I was in college, I used to ask my friends that, please, can I borrow your bike? I just want a short spin. And they used to always support me. I've been always surrounded by people who has always supported me and who has all the kind of, they always knew कि हाँ ये bike नहीं गिराएगी, ये चला लेगी. तो उनको हमेशा से वो confidence था मेरे में. Then I used to ride my friend's Avenger when I was in college. And then one fine day when life started to become, monotonous, I had seen my dad riding an old Machismo 350. That's how I always wanted to have a bullet, and I wanted him to sit behind me because it's such a proud feeling. Earlier, everybody used to say that it's very difficult to ride a bullet because it's a very heavy bike and you have to have that kind of personality to ride a bullet, and you know how the old bullets are. So I used to be so proud. I used to see my dad riding an old Machismo 350, which is again a very difficult bike to handle. So, and that's the only reason why I opted for an Bullet 500, because it gives me that old Bullet feeling, whenever I ride that bike. So the first time I sat on that bike and I was taking a test ride, I was like, no, this is the one. This is the one. This is exactly the same bike. Not the same, but kind of same bike which my dad used to ride. So yeah, that's how my interest got into biking. Life started becoming monotonous. One fine day, I saw an ad on Facebook, and over there I saw that there's this group called Enfield Riders. They teach riders how to ride a bike. And then I was like, you know, we've been volleyball players. We used to go out for tournaments. We used to travel a lot. And sitting at one place doing a 9 to 6 job was not my cup of tea. I so wanted to come out. I so wanted to breathe again. I so wanted to feel free again. So I decided that I will learn biking. And the best part was they were teaching women how to ride a bullet. So then I decided that Dimple, let's go for this. Within 2 days, I learned how to ride a bike. So my trainer was late Shri Chetna Nagesh Pandit. Okay, she taught me how to ride a bullet. You won't believe, she was a 5 feet 4 inches, very skinny girl riding a Himalayan, and I was so fascinated to see her. And the very first thing she taught me was how to pick up my bike if it falls, which is very important. A lot of people do ask me questions, you know, who are non-bikers. क्या आप bike उठा सकते हो? Can you fix a puncture? Doesn't your butt hurt when you go for a long ride? And all sort of questions I get. And I was like, oh God, what is the rocket science in that? We can learn every damn thing in this. You know, if a woman can go to space, why can't she learn to fix a puncture? So yeah, so that's how I got into biking.
Questions always come to you just because you're a woman. कोई लड़कों को जाके पूछ लो.
No, but I have been blessed, and I have been really blessed to be surrounded by such men who have been always very supportive. My brother has been always been very supportive to me, and that's the only reason, you know, I was really working hard. I was saving a lot of money because I wanted a bullet. But then one fine day, I and my brother took a trip to Dubai, and I was riding a dirt bike there. And he was quite surprised to see me the way I was handling the bike. That's when he decided, and he thought that, you know, he was always, वो मेरे को हमेशा चिढ़ाता था. What bullet, Dimple, you should ride an Activa, okay? You should ride an Activa. And I used to be like, bhai, you better don't tease me that you should ride an Activa. I will ride a bullet. And one fine day, I told him that, bhai, you know, I'm saving a lot of money. I'd like to get a bullet 500. So he was like, okay, let me just, you know, give it a thought. And after 1 week, he's taking me to the showroom, stating that, sure, Dimple, let's go to the showroom, let's ask them about the EMI and stuff, you know. And there was one Bullet 500 getting ready. So I was constantly looking at that bike, and I was, you know, thinking that one fine day I'll also have a bike. Oh wow, such a beautiful. And, you know, all of a sudden one person, he came and he gave me the keys, and he was like, that's your bike. And I started crying. I was like, wow. That was such a big surprise for me. So yes, I've been always been very, my parents have always supported me. My friends have always supported me. When I told you that, yeah, they used to give me their bike to ride. So yeah, I've been blessed with people who have always been supportive.
So you are always been blessed with the positive people and positive energy around you, right?
Yes. I totally, I am a universe person. You know, I always believe in thinking positive, giving out a lot of positive vibes to a lot of people. And that's how I will get, you know, positive vibes. Absolutely. And I'll feel everything positive around me.
You know, how this travel journey of yours began?
So 2018 was the year when I took the bike, and, you know, mere ghar pe bike aayi. And then I used to go for the short breakfast rides, you know, like every amateur biker does. And we have this very famous place called Ahura. So हर एक biker वहाँ पे जाता ही जाता है for Sunday breakfast. So I used to go छोटे-छोटे and फिर I have been to various other places.
Then 2019, I thought that why not I should, you know, try going for now long rides. Then मेरी सबसे longest ride थी Nashik. Till 2019, एक साल में सब कुछ आजू बाजू घूम गया. Then Pune and Nashik, and then all of and then again, you know, 2019 was a year when, you know, I was going through a lot of things. Then there are some bad days which I had been through, and then I was getting a little bit low in life. That's when I got to know about the Satspiti ride of the feet I have achieved. So people used to think, you know, that in order to go for those trails, take those trails, you need to train. Because मैंने पुणे और नासिक was my long. उसकी कोई लंबी राइड की नहीं थी. So people used to tell me you need a lot of training, proper training, you have a lot of technical skills and all that to take those trails. But the person who took us for that trail, his name is Akhtar Sheikh, Wanderer. I gave him a call and I was like, Akhtar bhai, I so want to come for this trails. But the only experience I have is मैंने सिर्फ पुणे तक ride करी है. That's it. So he was like, it's okay. बैलेंस कर सकती है बाइक को? मैंने बोला हाँ. गिरने का डर है? मैंने बोला ना, बिल्कुल नहीं है. Come then, you better come with me. It's okay. I am there to take care. But yeah, I will not pamper you. कि ये मतलब if you get scared, I will force you to do that because I want you to open your. So I was like, I'm ever ready to that. And then when I went for the trails, a lot of people told me that Dimple, मत जाओ, बहुत बहुत sacrifice. But then I was like, there's always a first time. And being fourth person, so we always love that attention. कोई ऐसे challenge कर दे कि नहीं कर पाएगी तो हमें पहले वो चीज करनी है. Yeah, so then I went for this. Then he saw me like first day, second day. I was riding बड़े अच्छे से, बड़े संभाल के. And then third day से उनको तो इतना confidence है कि yeah, you can do it. पहले तो वो मेरे मतलब आगे रहते थे, मैं उनके पीछे रहती थी. Then wherever he used to go, he is such a personality. I love him to the core. He is just adventure का भंडार. He was taking all sort of shortcuts and difficult roads, and I used to go behind him. I used to enjoy. I was riding between 40 feet of ice wall at such pass. I was crossing the water. Yeah, and I used to get so excited. I used to be so proud. Whenever I used to cross a water body, I used to scream with joy. I was literally enjoying, and I was so happy and so proud at the end that I took that decision to go for that. Yeah. So one thing I have, I always believe is I'm a very courageous soul. I don't like giving up so easily. अगर किसी ने बोल दिया मत कर, तो I was like, if I want to do it, if I want to experience it, I will do it. At the end, what will happen? I will learn, right?
Correct.
It doesn't go that way, like how it is supposed to be. So yeah.
Yeah, it's very important. Do or die. सबसे पहले करो, experience करो, and then if it doesn't work, it's always the next time. Nothing to worry about. I love your spirit. I love this thing what you have said.
Thank
tell me like how at such a young age this fit thing happened to you. I mean, how did you achieve this India Book of Record?
Yeah. So I went for the trails. I hardly knew about anything that ऐसे record भी होता and everything because I was a very amateur biker. सिर्फ पुणे तक गई थी और ये सारी चीजें पता ही नहीं थी मुझे, Then once I did the trail, 2-3 people came, Akhtar bhai came, 2-3 people, said that Dimple, what? We feel that आज तक किसी ने सचपिटी इतने young age में नहीं किया, and it's very difficult. It's actually very difficult. So then I applied for the record, and then they verified all that. And the record process is a very hectic thing, to provide them with and everything. फिर वो लोग 1.5 महीना लगाते, everything to verify everything because they give record actually. And after that, when it came, I was literally dancing. I was like, oh shit. I was so happy, so proud, literally. And my parents, I cannot thank them enough because a girl who's just gone to Pune, they allowed her. I even told them that Mama, Papa, वहाँ पे network ना हो, but I used to always make sure, Nirali, that मैं दिन में एक phone जब भी ride start होती थी and जब भी ride खत्म होती थी, I used to call my sister. Obviously, if they are showing so much confidence, I have to make sure that they are not worried. That's how people should ride responsibly. And my patient was always on with my brother. So yeah, I know I talk a lot.
That's how it should be, and you're doing really good with it. Well, so tell me, like, since you're a sports person, I mean, I have known you since volleyball. I know that you play cricket. So I want to know which more sports do you play?
See, whenever I'm not riding, I am playing something. I'm either going for tournaments, I am either playing football or I'm playing volleyball, or if not, I play some indoor with my mother, with my father. Because that's my interest. I've been into sports. You know that, right? Where people in college days used to bunk and they used to go with friends and I used to practice thrice 3 times in a day. So sports really helped me to mold my character. It has helped me to be disciplined in life. That's how I am courageous. That's how I can take those bold decisions in my life. So it's so important for me. If you do not see Dimple either playing cricket, or she's either playing football, or she's either whatever. And for the fact, you also know the tournaments which happens, you know. So we go there, we practice throw ball and everything. So yeah, that's how I am.
Correct. So in short, like sports actually played a very important role in your life, right?
Very important, very important.
Correct. So now tell me, how do you manage between your profession and your passion?
So what I do is, Nirali, so we have this, see, it's a 9 to 6 job, okay? I have to work if I have to fulfill my dreams, if I have to go for long rides and everything. So in the entire year, whenever I get the leave calendars, the first thing I do is I put all my leaves. Acha, I'm having a PH this day, and 3 days a week off, so let me apply one more day and it will be 3 days and I'll go for a short ride. That's how I planned everything, you know. I don't take leave per se. I only take leaves when I want to go, unless and until I just take sick leave if I'm really sick, but I save all my leaves to go for a bike ride. Or if there are any tournament. That's how I plan it. And I have decided साल में at least 2 बार करनी है मुझे. I have to do it.
Okay, so in a year you do 2 rides.
2 big long rides. ऐसी छोटी मोटी 2 वो सब तो चलता ही रहता है every Sunday. My mother is like, since I'm a healthcare worker, I only get Sundays off, and these days I've been working 12 hours and everything. So अभी तो चलो ठीक है, it's, you know, a lockdown and I cannot go out. Otherwise there's a deal between me and my mother. So there are 4 Sundays in a month. So she's like, 2 Sundays you will give it to me and 2 Sundays you'll go for rides. So 3 Sunday for ride and 1 Sunday with mother ऐसे हो जाता है, मगर वो हम ऐसे पे कर लेते हैं.
Wow, that's really amazing. You give time to your family, you give time to your passion, you are equally giving time to your profession as well. So that's equally important. And all these things we actually learn from sports, isn't it? Sports teaches you how to manage things from one thing to another. Right? So now, lately I have been hearing a lot about everything from you. What message would you like to give to people who actually want to have your passion as their passion?
See, any woman who wants to ride, I am always there to teach them. If they have some sort of fear that, you know, whether I'll be able to handle that bike or not, what if I go somewhere and, you know, there is no help and everything, you just have to take one step ahead. And in today's world, Nirali, there are so many people who are ready to support you. In my biking fraternity also, we have such good souls. You just have to ask them for something and they are always there to teach you, to support you. Okay, so abhi things are very different. Like earlier, people used to say that nahi kar payenge, but right now people do support. You just have to take a step ahead and then everything else follows. But yes, you have to be courageous. You have to ensure that you don't have fear, and, you know, never ever let fear overcome your dreams. I always say this thing to me, and I always say this thing to every woman out there. Never ever let fear overcome your dreams. Just take a step and then everything else will follow. You have to work hard with dedication, with determination, and you will achieve what you want to achieve in your life.
Correct. Very well said. Even I want to learn. I'm going to learn from you now.
Pakka. I'll teach you.
So, Dimple, it was amazing talking to you and having you on board. As I said, she's the most gorgeous woman by heart, by face, and by a person. So thank you so much, Dimple, giving your time. Since it's a Sunday, you get only one day and you have given that to me. Thank you so much for having you.
Thank you so much, Nirali, for having me.
So there is someone who is asking, Dimple, let's plan a ride. Ronak,
yeah. Ronak, sure. We stay in the same building. You bring Nirali and then I will join you guys.
Shashank is asking, मैम आपको बाइक राइडिंग का शौक कैसे आया?
बाइक राइडिंग का शौक, जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि हमेशा मैंने मेरे डैड को देखा था, यूज्ड टू राइड दैट ओल्ड, मैंने मेरे डैड को हमेशा 4-व्हीलर चलाते हुए देखा, बट मैंने यूज्ड टू राइड दैट ओल्ड मचेस फॉर 350, आई डोंट नो, आई यूज्ड टू फील सो प्राउड, एंड राइडिंग अ बुलेट इज लाइक अ लेगेसी, ठीक है। एंड मैंने आप लेट ज्वाइन हुए, मैंने कहा कि बीइंग अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन इज टू ऑलवेज ट्रैवल, और मेरे को हमेशा से था कि यू नो आई वांट टू राइड अ बुलेट बिकॉज माय डैड यूज्ड टू राइड अ बुलेट and I wanted to follow that legacy. So that's how biking ka itna shauq hai, and then I started going places, and then you know Nirali, we are so blessed when I rode to Himachal. You know, whenever you travel, I always urge people to travel more and more, because when you come back you're altogether a different person.
Correct.
You know, more humble, your perspective of seeing life changes. When I went to Himachal, I saw those people living without cell phones, living
Oh.
without yes, very simple people, just, and still they were enjoying life, you know. So it is very important to travel, to you know meet people, to have their local food, to enjoy everything. So I do
Correct.
that, and since my work is so stressful, and you know the situations outside, and you know, being a healthcare worker, you know what, I'm sure you know what what I'm going. It's very difficult for me to free myself, and whenever I'm riding, I feel free. I literally feel free. I get time for myself. I get time to breathe. I get time to feel free. I meet people. My whole perspective about life changes. So yes,
And
riding.
one more thing, I mean, when you travel to different places, you be with different people, you share different culture. It's kind of exchange of culture too.
Absolutely, yes. And there are so many women out there. There are so many people out there. Not only women. I get so motivated looking at them, yaar. We have been really blessed. We have everything. They do not have everything, but still the way they live life. That's how I feel positive, you know. And that's how riding and traveling always keeps me happy.
Priya, so Priya is asking you, she's also a girl and she wants to learn bike. Will you teach her?
Absolutely. Get in touch with me. I'll teach you. There are many women out there who are my friends who are also, you know, running this not online, who are running this training academy. That nowadays a lot of things are online, so online.
Right.
Yeah, but running this training academy, and they're teaching women how to ride a bike. If not I will definitely get you connected with them.
Cool. So Priya, you can get in touch with her on her Insta account. Siddharth is asking, how was Sat Spiti with Akhtar Bhai?
It was amazing. It was so amazing. I learned so many things, you know. I got so much of confidence riding on, taking those off-road trails now. Now you tell me, Dimple, yahan pe ride karna hai, you know, totally off-road patch hai, I'll go aise khushi se. And that's how I got to know riding on those off-road trails, that I love riding on off-road patches more rather than, you know, just riding on highways. So yeah, Akhtar Bhai has taught me a lot. He's always been my motivation, and he's a lot to me. I cannot express that in words. He means a lot to me.
Correct. So who is your riding icon, Dimple ma'am? Someone is asking, I don't know, SPD 7999, I don't know who is he.
There are so many women out there. Whoever teaches me something is my icon. I can learn from every person. Every person is different. So not one, I have so many out there. So many out there.
Correct. And what about your next ride plan? Is there any next ride plan, Dimple?
Yes. So next ride plan, I was planning for a Northeast trip or Ladakh. So now let's see if things are better, I will definitely just vanish.
Okay, so give me a minute. Which were your best moments and bad moments of a ride?
Best moments have been, so when I took the audacious trails of Sat Spiti, and Sach Pass was the last leg of my journey. So obviously riding between 40 feet of ice walls and everything, crossing the ice cold water bodies was very difficult. But when I reached up there, I was literally crying, because 14 days of riding, I had finished all of that. I was literally into tears that I did it. I was so proud of myself. So that was the best moment for me. Because, and then I thought that, you should never underestimate yourself. Never, ever. And I'm glad I took that decision of, taking the trails and riding. And the bad moment for me is, Nirali, I'd like to say this. Not a bad moment, but whenever we go to ride in this mountain, a lot of local people really hesitate. There are no washrooms, first of all, and if there are washrooms, they really hesitate people, to let them go and use their washroom. Why? The only reason they hesitate is because वो जिस तरीके से आपको देते हैं उनकी प्रॉपर्टी यूज करने के लिए, इस तरीके से उनको वापस नहीं देते. So please guys ensure जा रहे हो, treat that as your home, okay? और अगर वो आपको वो प्रॉपर्टी यूज करने दे रहे हैं वो, तो you better leave that thing like it was and do not ruin it, और वहाँ पे गंदगी नहीं फैला सकते. So that thing I was quite shocked, when I was doing the Saraswati trails. So I, along with Veena was one more rider along with me. She's also a very good rider, I adore her completely again. So yeah, so we wanted to, and we were having our jobs, and if you are having your jobs, it becomes very difficult to go outside, So I really requested the local people that, please let us use your washroom. Earlier, I hesitated. And then when I spoke to that person who had that property, so they said that, ऐसा होता है, हम उनको दे तो देते हैं साफ सुथरा, but वो वापस हमें वो नहीं देते. It's so bad. It is your responsibility, and you cannot. If somebody is letting you use that, you should be thankful enough, right? So just wanted to let you know that ऐसी चीजें भी होती है.
Correct. Okay, someone is saying, I know Dimple since her college days, she was quite different, and now she's a very strong, confident woman.
What is it? Someone's name? I can't.
Change person. I don't know. Rish Sharma.
Okay, Rishi. Oh, Rishi has been my. So we were in the same class in the college. Hi, Rishi. So yes, I was. I was a little bit introvert, and I was always into sports. That disciplined ladki. Just practice karke 3 times and then jana. And I always had that mindset that yes, I want to be the captain of my team. I want to play nationals and I want to achieve that. And that's why I was very dedicated. So मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती थी. So that's why he might be thinking.
But now, although you have a very positive change in yourself, I mean, I've seen you right from college days till now. I mean, I've seen a vast change in you, and it's really a brilliant. So thank you so much, Dimple. I think so we don't have any more questions to answer. Thank you once again. Thank you so much for coming on my show of People Who Inspire episode 6, and have a nice day.
Yes, you too. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining and being here. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Thank you.
One last message for all of them, Dimple.
To all the women out there, please do not let fear overcome your dreams. Go achieve your dreams. Life is short. And yeah, in case if you all see, I'm a healthcare worker. In case if you have any queries, you want to know anything, I'm always there to help. If you want to learn biking, I'm always there to help. So yes, stay positive, and this too shall pass. I'm quite sure. Be strong.
Yes, and stay safe, stay home, and wear your mask. Do not forget that. I hope you all enjoyed the session with a gorgeous female, Miss Dimple Singh. So thank you so much for being there, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.